Good day, everybody. There's the hair we're gonna cut today,
Okay.
and we're gonna make it short and high tapered using regular clippers, like that. Nothing hurts, right? And the other purpose of this before is we thought we're gonna be driving around in and out of Anchorage. So I said it might help if we're gonna make a video of your haircut. So once you get the tools, you can just follow the video.
But actually, when you go there, on your way there, just record the trip. A lot of people want to see that. Some people have never seen Alaska before.
Because there are friends now who's saying that, hey, YouTube is good. If you don't know something that seems like maybe you need somebody to show you how, YouTube is a good place to look. Sure enough, our friend, the husband used to do things at the house, you know, when something goes wrong. And then they start consulting YouTube, and when the husband, you know, become disabled, he become disabled because of Parkinson's issue. So the wife said, "Hey, if YouTube show me how, and it looks easy." The husband was just saying, you know, where the tools is, and the wife will do it. And they were so happy.
Well, I can tell them to share or subscribe, and that way they can spread out to YouTube to everybody, to their friend.
So that was really nice. Okay. Do you make this short?
Short.
Okay. Because the next thing is when we'll be moving back and forth. I might cut online.
Okay.
And they were laughing. What? Yeah. I'm gonna try to cut here online.
Oh, wow.
How's that? You know, I'm gonna be using people, of course. You're gonna be using your friend or your family member to cut your hair. All I do, I'll be showing myself online and talking to you, talking to the hair cutter and show him how to use the tool. That's
Yeah.
all. And you were laughing. Yes, I believe it can be done.
Yeah.
YouTube was so nice to show us so many things.
Yeah.
And it's working. So I think hair cutting can be done online.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to keep doing this just
Yeah.
like what we see on others.
Mm-hmm.
Not to say that they're doing wrong, but I think this way is also okay.
So you done with fishing this year, or is this more?
I think this week we're going to Pinay and see how the fishermen do.
Oh, okay.
I heard from fishing game.
Uh-huh.
There's good fish running, like
Well, yesterday I saw 20,000.
Russian River used to be 3 a day.
Yeah.
Now they raised it up to from 3 to 6, and now it's 9, I think.
Wow.
Yeah, that means the fish are there.
Yeah. But Russian rivers, the fish tend to be smaller.
Well, all the places it's packed.
Yeah.
Not enough parking, so they
Really? Wow.
go over there just like your plan. I guess if you go there during the weekdays,
Uh-huh.
maybe you're okay.
Yeah. That's why I kind of go on the weekday where everybody's working.
Yeah, because the outsiders, you know, when they come,
Mm-hmm.
when they arrive there, well, of course they're gonna take the place when everybody go home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Summer haircut. Many of you are asking for this kind of haircut.
Yeah.
Even the grandmas. Oh, cut it short.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go back anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
Okay. Looks good. Good.
I still got a lot,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
you know, I'm repeating
got
myself.
some.
Everybody, don't scrub it too much.
Yeah, still
Because
got
if
some
you
left.
do, it might hurt.
Yeah.
Let me put a little thing in here. And of course, I'm using this kind of oil. Hopefully, it'll do what it says.
Yeah. Oh, great away.
Hopefully. We don't know until we try, right?
Yeah. Did you get that online?
I got it.
Amazon?
Sally's.
Oh, okay.
Sally's Supply.
Oh, okay.
And a little aftershave.
Yeah.
And there is the short high tapered.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.